How to disable spare change to Rev points converting in Revolut. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video, I will guide you how you can disable the spare change to Rev points converting in Revolut. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, in order to turn off your spare change, you have to open up Revolut application in your mobile device. After you open up the application, make sure that you're logged into your account. If you're not logged in, tap on sign in button and enter your login credentials and then log in. If you don't have an account yet, you could create one using sign up button. So after you're logged in, navigate to the bottom right corner. There you'll have an option as Rev Point. Tap on Rev Point. Next, you have to tap on Earn or hit Earn or the rave point icon in the top right corner. After that, again you will see spare change. Tap on it and then toggle it off or select deactivate in order to disable spare change to rave point automatic conversion. Now, this will stop future spent roundups from being auto converted into rave point in your Revolut account. That's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.